Folks, if you're looking for something different to cook on your grill, you should consider smoking a rolled bologna. One, it doesn't take long. It doesn't require a lot of time. Two, it's very easy and forgiving, so it's beginner friendly. And three, it's delicious. I'll show you how we do it. I've got about 6 pounds of bologna here. This is Fisher's. We just went to a local grocery store and got this out of the deli. Use whatever brand you like. First thing that you want to do is go ahead and score it about 1 inch or so deep. We'll first do it vertically, just like this. You can go about 1 inch or 1.5 inches apart with these. Go all the way around. And once you've cut them in it vertically, then you want to go across and go all the way around and do the same thing. That's going to let some of the rub get down in there and some of the smoke and kind of just help penetrate inside the rolled bologna. Next step is to use a binder. I'm using some hot mustard. Use whatever you want. Mustard's usually good. Just kind of rub that all over it here. This is a rub that I make at home. I use this on pork and chicken most of the time. You've seen me use it before, and I'll share a link to a video that shows you how to make this in the description. But I'm just going to pour some of this on here and make sure it gets applied evenly and make sure it gets down into where I scored the bologna a little bit. That's kind of the whole point of doing that. I've got this grill set up for smoking. I'm using some good lump charcoal. When you do this, if you want to put some hardwood on there with it, get a little extra smoke, you can, but sometimes with good lump charcoal, you can get enough smoke to do something like bologna. It's not going to take a lot. Not going to leave this on here real long. We just want to pick up some smoke flavor, and we all want to let it get a little bit of a bark on it, get some nice color, because we're not worried about cooking it. We just want to warm it up and get some flavor on it. So we'll check back in about an hour, run about 250 degrees or so, and let's see what this looks like. So this is about 1.5 hour check-in. Man, it's got some nice color, and it's looking good, smelling good. I think we're going to leave this on here just a little while longer. Bologna don't take real long. Probably give it another ½ hour to an hour and see what we're looking like. And we'll go ahead and pull this off. So I'll check back in with you shortly. Okay, folks, this is 2.5 hours in. I'm going to call this good, call it done, and pull it off the grill. And we're going to slice it up, and I'll show you how we're serving it. Hey, folks, I went ahead and pulled this off the grill. It's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and slice it, and I'll show you how we're going to serve it up today. Plenty of bark on this end. Slather just a little bit of this spicy mustard on this one. Hey folks, that is delicious. It's got a little smoke flavor to it, a little sweetness, and just a little bit of spiciness from the rub that I used, and the one that I put the mustard on, a little tanginess, and then that sweet Hawaiian roll that's hard to beat. Hope you'll check this recipe out and do it for yourself. Check out a few more videos and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Leave me a comment. I'll catch you in the next one. God bless you.